very fact that Prime Minister is going in front of the GIT, this is unprecedented.
Yeah.
We have never seen this before. How do you look at this? Did you expect this when you were investigating the Panama leaks? Did you feel that the Prime Minister will himself appear before the investigation committee?
Yeah, it's a big deal. Appearance of the Prime Minister before the GIT. When I was doing the investigations, I thought many things. I realized that it will become a big news. More so because the family of the Prime Minister has been identified in connection with the Panama Papers. But the case has been lingering on, and it has stayed on for so long. I wasn't expecting that to happen, and it's a good sign in a way, because there is a common perception that no story can survive for more than maximum more than a week, but it has survived for more than a year. And due to the first family.
Lots of questions being raised about the fact that whether or not the Prime Minister are going through with this whole process, whether there will be accountability or not. Do you think that we are seeing more accountability, more transparency in Pakistan? The ruling elites are being asked and questioned like this. His whole family is being questioned like this. Do you see it heading somewhere?
It's heading to the right direction, in a sense that the elite is feeling the heat, and they realize that they cannot go unaccounted anymore. They will have to be held answerable. And the case Sharif family, they never realize that the court will grill them so much, and they will try to get to some facts. And they didn't expect that out of 5-member bench, no matter there were 2 members, but they were in favor of the disqualification. So there were many things new for the Sharif family. There were many things new for the public. So it's an education for all of us, and the positive thing is that we are heading to the right direction.
And my last question to you, do you think that because of this, all of this accountability and everything happening, does it affect the Sharif's family's political career? Because elections are next year, do you think this will affect them in any way? Some people are even saying that they should already resign because now they have no moral standing left. They are coming in front of a criminal investigation. Do you think in future their political career has any standing anymore, or it will be dented in a big way?
It remains to be seen, and although it's a very difficult time for the Sharifs, but at the same time they are trying to find some tragedy of opportunities out of this tragedy. For some, they are becoming victims. They are also winning the sympathies. I think GIT should handle the case very carefully, realizing that it's political. It's not a simple criminal investigation. So the optics matters. Who you are calling, he will let the media know how he has been treated. If there is any discrimination, they have a following, they feel it, they realize that they are being targeted. So they should be very careful, because the intended objective of the investigation team is to get to the facts. It should not be dragged to somewhere else. They should not let anybody distract the attention away from the real objective. So it's a kind of mixed thing for the Sharif. How far it can affect the elections, I cannot say. You are aware that Malta Prime Minister, he had to resign before, and then he was re-elected. So the political implications and the political dynamics are different. There are the consequences. The people are more concerned about that, how they are being treated, how they are being delivered. And another point is that whether the opposition is strong enough to capture the space being vacated, and due to this crisis. So that remains to be seen.